Swinburne University of Technology.
My name is Minggu. I'm the professor of Center for Micro-Photonics. The key area of the Center for Micro-Photonics is in the biophotonics and nanophotonics. With the vision, we want to develop a research for sustainable future. Well, solar cell is very important for everyday life, but currently, because the efficiency of the solar cell is quite low, about 20%, so that limited the solar cell application only to the domestic or some of the limited industrial application. Eventually, solar cell should be more widely used in our everyday life. So the current way you use a solar panel on the roof is quite a limited way to use. What our idea is to try to store the solar energy. The way we want to do is to use the nanotechnology to store more efficiently the solar energy so that people can use the solar energy anytime you want. And we successfully attracted one of the largest solar manufacturer in China, Suntech, to work with Swinburne. So Victoria government funded this collaboration with a significant amount of money. And on the 1st of June, we had an official opening. The aim of the facility is trying to create a totally new kind of a solar cell, which we can revolutionize the solar panel manufacturing. If we success, Suntech will invest a plant in Victoria to commercialize the solar panel which we invented. The example we already commercialized, the work we have done, is the endoscopic work with the aim to detect the cancer at an early stage. Our endoscope is different from the traditional endoscopic device, which is already used in the hospital. The key feature of our endoscope is we can see the cell in 3 dimensions. So that way we can have more information to determine the abnormality of the cell in the early stage. And we contacted the industry partner who are interested in our technology. Eventually we found the investor, and they create a company now, so we have developed the product. The work we have done in optical data storage is revolutionary. In that sense, what we say is that we are doing the work beyond the Blu-ray. We can put more than 2,000 movies into this kind of disc, and I think that's really truly revolutionary. The government is awarded this Australian Laureate Fellowship to me and to the university, which is the highest recognition of the research achievements in Australia. So with that money, we can actually really develop a fantastic laboratory, the really world-class laboratory in the new building. Swinburne University is completed, which is called Advanced Technology Center. Kudos is a very long name, Center for Ultra-High Bandwidth Device for Optical System. Really, the mission of the Kudos for the next 7 years is to produce this kind of optical compute components for our vision to produce all optical device for fast, low energy consumption, and efficient communication device. I think Swinburne is a very exciting place to work. It is small, but it's very focused in the couple of area in the cutting edge of the research. And I believe Swinburne is currently the rising star in Australia, probably in some sense also around the world. And we are doing very exciting work over the last 10 years, and we have made tremendous achievements.